Hey guys, Nerf gun reviewer 331. Screwed up on the intro. Whatever. This is my friend here.
Do you remember me?
Yeah, I remember you. Oh, you were talking to viewers, weren't you?
Yeah.
Crap. What did I? What's wrong with you?
Restart the intro sound.
No, I can just cut that out.
Hello, people. It's me.
What? What was that for?
Oh no.
Alright, so the point with this game, here, let me put this thing on. The point with this game is we're going to go to, what, how many rounds?
30.
30 rounds?
30 hits.
Okay, 30 hits, but how many rounds?
3.
Okay, 3 rounds, 30 hits. I'm going to try my best to keep track. You got to keep track too.
I will.
Just get in your starting positions and we shall go.
Boom, 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 boom.
I'm gonna go over the gun layouts. I have the Raider customized with a couple of clips and a drum. The Warlock axe for melee. I got my big bad bow, which is also modified, air restrictor. Vigilon, Proton, and Element handguns for backup. There's my selection. Here is Matt Benjamin, or sorry, I'll cut that out. Okay.
I don't care. They can know my name.
All right.
They'll give me more stalkers. More people liking me.
All right, so
more people liking me. Yeah.
okay, so you have a Stampede with a bunch of clips, which
I have a whole bunch of stuff in this box here that will mess you up, boy.
yeah.
It will smile your jack.
What the crap? Okay,
It's an old thing.
so he has a Vantage sword for melee. He has a Triad EX3, barrel break with barrel break attachment. I don't know. That's a Fire Strike, the handgun, and a Strife with a bunch of clips as well.
Mhm.
You got Eliminator as well. Are you gonna use that too?
No, I don't know.
All right. Well, whatever.
Who cares? I didn't know. I started getting stuff out of the box.
Oh, okay. Ready? Starting the match. And get in your starting position.
I am.
That ain't your starting position. It's behind the couch.
Oh. Okay, wait.
What the heck is this?
Starting position.
Aqua shock. Whatever. 3. Oh crap, I need a gun. 2. 1, and do not step on these missiles. These cost a lot of money. Go!
Hey, wait. Don't fail.
Hit the gun. Ooh, I need a shield somehow. Alright, so how about this? Ah! Hit! Jesus! Stop! Oh god, I missed! Okay, that was like 13 hits.
I know.
Anyway, missiles do 5 hits, bullets do 1. Jesus Christ! I'm in a tight spot! Ow! Stop it! You're giving me plenty of ammo, you know that, right? What's with you? 5 hits.
Wee.
Ah, hit! Ah, my neck! Hey, no, hey, that's cheating.
That's cheating.
Really?
Yeah, really? That's completely fair.
How is it fair? You just went into my territory.
I just stabbed you. I gave time.
Come on.
You
You just wasted a whole bunch of bullets. Ow, my hand! Ring around the rosy, pocket full of pussies. Ashes, ashes, we all. I'm dizzy.
Exactly.
Man, what is wrong with you?
Man, oh, you hate yourself.
Yeah, this is pointless.
Yes, it is. That's why.
Whoop. I don't think you can shoot me in the foot with that.
No, but it looks like you keep getting close to you. I'm like, with that.
1, 2.
Don't worry, Command. We're winning.
Whoop boom. Whoop boom.
Block.
Whoop boom.
Block. No. I already won though.
You cheated though.
One.
Ed, you're dead.
I did not cheat. I hit you like 8 times.
Yeah, but you charge at me.
Exactly.
There's no point of charging at me.
All is fair. And war is war. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. I won.
This is pointless.
This is